Hi, this is Lana Trekov with Ukraine Insight. Question. Vladimir Putin claims that Viktor Yanukovych is Ukraine's legitimate president and he needs to return to Kiev. Is it true? Vladimir Putin appeals to a document signed on February 21st between Viktor Yanukovych and Ukraine's opposition, which stated that Yanukovych would remain Ukraine's president for 12 more months. This document was co-signed by representatives of Poland, France, and Germany, whereas Russian representative Mr. Lukin didn't even want to sign this document. And this agreement was violated not by Ukraine's opposition, but by Viktor Yanukovych himself, because on the very day this document was signed, Viktor Yanukovych escaped from Kiev. And the following day, his own party of the regions in the parliament, together with the opposition parties, all voted in favor of Mr. Yanukovych's impeachment. So he is absolutely not a Ukraine's president according to all legal procedures. And it is interestingly enough that Mr. Putin is appealing to this document because he himself violated so many of the international agreements by invading Crimea. First of all, in 1994, Ukraine refused from the third largest nuclear arsenal in the world in exchange for guarantees of its territorial integrity and sovereignty on the part of the United States, the UK, and Russia. And Russia, being the guarantor of its territorial integrity, has just invaded part of Ukrainian territory. And the second interesting example is that yesterday, I think Mr. Putin claimed that Ukraine left the USSR illegally in 1991. So there were some issues with papers back then. So Mr. Putin has to decide what is his attitude towards international agreements. Are they just scraps of paper for him? It looks like that's exactly how he considers them.